Hey everyone, Matt Tepler, Canadian Channel Manager for GeoSlam. It's been a busy couple weeks as we're doing the final touches here for our Carto Tours Canada East Coast Edition show here, as our first dates are actually next week. Just want to thank you guys for the amazing feedback that we've gotten so far. The response has been just tremendous. Also wanted to announce that based on your guys' feedback, we've actually added a stop in the Ottawa Vars region. So if you guys are wanting to join us in that area, or if you guys haven't signed up yet for one of our stops on the East Coast, by all means check out the link that I believe is above, and absolutely come out, check us out on tour. In terms of GeoSlam goodies, we're going to have the brand spanking new Horizon RT with us. We're going to have the new Vision camera. Joey from Alto Helix is joining us with the M300 and the M300 mount for the Horizon. And obviously Colton with Carto Canada will be there with some of the other goodies that Carto Canada carries. So we're looking really forward to seeing you guys. Keep an eye out for data sets and fun videos that we're going to hopefully be producing along the way. And again, looking forward to seeing you guys as Carto Tours Canada.